Take a deep breath in, hold it, and now let it out slowly. Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome to a brand new day, brimming with endless opportunities, infinite possibilities, and the promise of growth. Before the world rushes in with its demands, its noise, and its chaos, this moment is for you. A sacred pause, a chance to ground yourself in peace, positivity, and purpose. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Mindful Mornings. Here we create moments just like this to help you step into your day with clarity, confidence, and calm. This is your time. Let's make it beautiful together. Now, let's begin. Close your eyes, soften your shoulders, feel your body relax. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release anything that feels heavy in your chest this morning. That doubt, that frustration, that unfinished to-do list. Breathe it all out. You are here now, fully in the present, and that is all that matters. As we move through this guided meditation, I invite you to trust the process. Every word is designed to realign your energy with positivity. Allow yourself this moment of transformation because you deserve it. Today is the beginning of something wonderful. Imagine for a moment that today is a blank canvas. You hold the brush. How will you paint it? What colors will you choose? What story will you tell? Every challenge you have faced, every obstacle that might be ahead, it is not a roadblock. It's a stepping stone. These moments, even the hardest ones, are shaping you into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient version of yourself. Whisper this to yourself now. Every challenge I face brings me closer to my dreams. I am growing. I am thriving. Take a deep breath, a deep one. Feel that affirmation settle into your being. As you accept this truth, notice how lighter you feel. You are creating space for positive energy to flow freely into your life. Now, repeat after me, either aloud or silently in your mind. I am enough exactly as I am. I welcome abundance into my life today. I trust that life is working in my favor. I am open to unexpected blessings. Feel the power of these words not just as thoughts but as seeds. Each affirmation you say is a seed of positivity planted in the soil of your mind. Water them with belief and watch your life grow into something extraordinary. Allow yourself to smile gently. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart as I invite you to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for at this very moment. It could be the stillness of this morning, the cozy comfort of where you sit, the promise of today's fresh start. Gratitude is magic. It multiplies the good in your life. With every thank you offer to the universe, big or small, you attract more to be thankful for. Say this with me. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I trust in perfect timing. I trust in my journey. Today, I choose joy over fear, growth over resistance, love over doubt. Take another deep breath in. Hold this energy. Now exhale, letting go of what doesn't serve you. Remember, you don't have to control everything. Life has a rhythm and is here to support you. Trust in the unfolding of your story. Trust that you are always guided, always loved, and always enough. Today, as you step out into a world full of possibility, visualize yourself walking with grace, confidence, and peace. Each step forward is an opportunity to attract positivity, to radiate kindness, to embrace abundance. Be open, be receptive, and remember, this beautiful energy you feel is always within you, waiting for moments like this to rise to the surface. I believe in you. The universe believes in you. Now it's time for you to carry that energy into your day ahead. If this meditation fuels your morning with positivity, I invite you to join me in the next step of your mindful journey. Click the video on your screen now for another 10-minute morning guided meditation designed to enhance your focus, inner peace, and sense of purpose today. This is your time to shine. You are radiant, you are powerful, and you are ready. Until next time, take care of yourself and carry this energy with you always. Don't forget to subscribe. We are here together every morning. Thank you.